Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you castor oil and peppermint oil mask for hair growth. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Research show that peppermint oil stimulates hair growth. It keeps the hair in the anagen phase for a long time, which reduces hair loss. It also helps increase hair thickness, follicle number and follicle depth. It also has antimicrobial properties which can help keep the scalp clean from infections. Ingredients: 100 ml castor oil, 2 to 3 drops of peppermint oil. Method: add 2 to 3 drops of peppermint oil to castor oil and shake it well. Center part your hair and apply the mix directly to your scalp. Repeat this process until your whole head is covered. Let the mask stay on for at least 2 hours before washing it off. You can use this blend twice a week for a couple of months to witness faster results. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.